Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Tertiary Courses. Today I want to talk about primitive and reference data types in JavaScript. Here at the left side, as you see, I have two files, one index.html, the other one app.js. In index.html at line 13, I link this HTML file to this app.js. Let's go and create two variables in app.js. Let my name and set it to Jenny. Let your name and set it to my name. Let's go and console log these two. Console log my name and your name. Now I want to check the output. If you press F12, you can open up Chrome Developer Tools, and on Console tab you can see the result, Jenny and Jenny. Now I want to change the value of my name to something like Susan. Let's go and log your name to console. Console.log your name. As you see, the result is still Jenny. And why actually it's still Jenny? Let me explain it here. You know, in memory we have two sections, okay? A stack and heap. A stack is being used in order to store simple data types like strings, numbers, booleans, and so on. Heap is being used in order to store complex data types like arrays and objects. At line 1, when I say my name and I set Jenny to it, here we create this variable, and inside the stack the value of Jenny is being stored. At line 2, when I assign my name to your name, here your name variable is being created and the value of Jenny is being stored in the stack. Alright, so as you see, they are stored in two different places. That's why when I change my name to Susan, it doesn't have any kind of effect, okay, on your name here, and we still see your name as Jenny. But the story for complex data types like objects and arrays is different. Let's go and try with an array. I'm gonna make an array, let people, and what are the values that I have here? Jack, Hannah, David, and Kate. So Jack, Hannah, David, and Kate. I'm gonna make another variable that is students and then assign people to it. Let's go and log these to console. People and students. So as you see, for people and students, I have these two arrays, okay, which are exactly the same. Now I want to change the first item of people array. People 0, and I set it to, for example, Brett. Okay. Now I want to log students to the console. Let me just separate the result as well, console.log. Then you can see it better. So I log students to the console, but you see now the first item of students is Brad. But what did I do here? I changed the first item of people. So how actually I can see that change on the students? The answer is here. As I've said before, complex data types like arrays and objects are being stored inside the heap. This is the actual array that I have in heap. Imagine the address of this array in heap is 100. So when I create this array and assign it to this people variable, the actual value of this array is not being stored in the stack. So what do we store in a stack? The address of this array. And here at line 9, when I assign people to students, here I assign the address of people to students. That's why in the stack I store the address of this array, which is 100 again. So people and students, both of them, they refer to the same array. And any kind of change that we make to this array by using people or students is visible to any other reference to this array. For example, if I make another array customers, okay, and I assign people or students to it, any kind of change that I make to this array by using people or students is going to be visible to the customers as well. Okay, so this is the story of reference and primitive types. Let's go and see another example, this time using an object. So I'm going to just comment this out. Here I'm gonna say let trainer, and I set it to an object, first name to John, last name to Doe, and age 35. Okay, I'm gonna make another variable, let person, and assign the trainer to person. Let's go and log these two to the console.log trainer and person. Let's check the output, and you see I have two objects. The first one is trainer and the second one is person, right? And you see the values are exactly the same for these two. Now I want to change the trainer name, trainer name, the first name. I'm gonna set it to Jack. Now I want to log the first name of person to console.log person.first name. I change the value of the first name property of this trainer object, and I'm just logging the first name of person to console. So what do you guess? Yep, the name has changed to Jack for person, because again objects are considered as complex data types. Okay, so the story is exactly the same. This object is being stored on heap. Trainer and person, they are both refer to this object, so any kind of change that we make to this object is visible to all the references to this object. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye bye.